Alright guys, so here we are. We're going to do kind of a quick flight for the a320, and this particular one takes a 4-cell compared to the 340 and the 380. They recommend just a 3-cell. So once again, I'm just going to plug that right in there. There's some pretty sticky Velcro that just kind of latches right on there. It's kind of a rat's nest just like the other one, but I'll show you guys how to hook all that up. Kind of make it look a little better, but I was so anxious to kind of just get it out here and fly. Throw it out here. There's a lot of videos out there that show the 320, but it's impressively fast, that's for sure, compared to the other two. So alright, flap retract doors, everything's good. Okay. Some surface checks. Once again, just like the 380, I do mix in with the rudder on the elevators, or the ailerons, so I can just kind of have a better and scale turn. Once again, I always like to make sure that both motors are running. That one sounds a little odd. There we go. Full taxi back. This one doesn't take very long to take off, and to be honest, and I haven't heard this on YouTube, but do not give it full throttle on takeoff. It is just like a bat out of hell when it takes off. So we're kind of back taxiing. This thing just rips. So I give it about 30% throttle and do a very scale takeoff with this one. I pulled up too soon, but this thing just has crazy power. Crazy power. I'm probably 60% throttle right now and it's ripping. I'll do a low speed pass. Look at that. I don't know why my gear is still down. There we go. Here's the gear retracted. This one does pretty well on battery, I've come to find. We'll try to get it closer so you guys can see, but on these airliners, you try to take off too quick, they'll get very squirrely. Well, there she is. That's about 30% throttle right there. And look at that wobble. I'm not too sure why that is, but all of them do it. I'm gonna do a low speed, and watch this motor. Look at that. Just a bat out of hell. Crazy power. Crazy power. I mean, that 4-cell makes a big difference, because they're all the same motor. They all have 50 millimeters, I think, with the same KV. But look at that thing. Just rips. So what we'll do, we'll slow her down. We'll bring her. I think my gear's down. We'll land it and check the battery. There she is. And we'll do the same approach as we did with the other one. I'm curious to see how the battery is. So I kind of drop in over the street. Coming in super hot. Let me slow her down.
I want to fly by us.
car, so we're gonna have to bank out and power out. Missed approach, huh? That's the problem with landing in the street. Probably gonna be down on battery life, that's for sure. So we'll slow her down a bit. Whew, a little windy.
There she is. A little hard.
Get out of the way of that car. Taxi back and check her battery power here. There's the 320, just rips. Oh, what's up, Ninja Turtle? Let's see what our battery life's at. %, 46%. Nah, I'm not gonna take her back up. If we were at 50-ish%, I would, but there it is, the 320. A little windy today. It came in with the wind, so it was a little rough. But man, that 4-cell, I'm telling you. All right, 320.